ChatGPT is an AI-powered open-source tool that can understand and respond to human language. It uses a special type of computer system called a transformer to learn how to talk like a person. It can be used for many tasks, like having a conversation or answering questions. It was made by OpenAI and is considered one of the best language models currently available. Key features of ChatGPT? Here are some key features of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, model, also known as ChatGPT. Pre-training. GPT is pre-trained on a massive amount of text data, which allows it to understand and generate human-like text more effectively. Fine-tuning. GPT can be fine-tuned on specific tasks with smaller amounts of data, which allows it to perform well on a wide range of natural language processing tasks. Language understanding. GPT has a deep understanding of language, which allows it to answer questions, summarize text, and translate languages. Generative capabilities. GPT can generate human-like text, which makes it useful for tasks such as writing, storytelling, and dialogue generation. Advanced capabilities. GPT-3, the latest version of GPT, has some advanced capabilities like image captioning, text summarization, question answering, and many more. Multilingual. GPT can be fine-tuned for multiple languages, which allows for natural language processing tasks in different languages. Large-scale. GPT models, particularly GPT-3, have a large number of parameters, which allows for more accurate predictions and better generalization. Personalization. GPT can be fine-tuned to specific domains or industries, allowing for more accurate and personalized responses. Flexibility. GPT can be used in a variety of applications, such as chatbots, language translation, and text generation. Open source. GPT is available as an open-source model, which allows for easy integration into various applications and further research and development. Cons of ChatGPT. It may produce text that contains errors or inaccuracies, as it is not infallible and can make mistakes based on the data it was trained on. It can also generate text that is biased or offensive, as it is trained on a dataset that may contain such language. It may not be able to understand context and intent as well as a human can, which can lead to confusion or misinterpretation in certain situations. It can be expensive to run, particularly at a large scale, due to the computational resources required for training and using the model. One example of this might be in a customer service chatbot scenario. A customer may say something like, "I need to change the address on my account." But the chatbot, not fully understanding the context or intent of the statement, and might respond with information on how to change a shipping address for an online order, rather than how to update the account's billing address. Another example might be in a language translation scenario. A sentence in one language might have multiple possible translations depending on the context and intent. But the model may not fully understand that and choose the wrong one. Pros of ChatGPT. Can generate human-like text, making it useful for tasks such as chatbot development, language translation, and text summarization. Can be fine-tuned to perform specific tasks, such as answering customer service inquiries or composing creative writing. Can generate responses in a conversational manner and can continue a dialogue based on the previous context. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and do subscribe the channel for more interesting stuffs.